Hi, I'm Danny Tan, and I've been in photography for a little over 8 years now. I started doing simple portraits of people, friends, and families mostly. Now, in dance photography actually began when my wife and daughter started dancing hula. From there, I kinda embraced the Polynesian culture. In 2011, we were watching the Tahiti Fete in San Jose, first time ever, and I remember vividly trying to take pictures and of course being indoors and the lighting changes all the time. It was a bit of a challenge, but I didn't care. I was just firing away because I love all the beautiful costumes, flowers, music, and the dancers that really drew me in. The facial expression and their smiles say so much about their passion for their dance and culture, and I always wanted to capture those moments. We can talk shop all night long about gears, different cameras and lenses, the settings, and all the fancy lighting equipment could be important to some respect. But for me, I'm mostly inspired by the dancers and the person that's in front of my lens.